In today's video, I am going to show you how you can use mobile data while the airplane mode is turned on. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. Whenever we turn on the airplane mode, we are unable to use the internet. So the solution to this problem is very easy. First of all, I'll turn on the airplane mode. As you can see that the airplane mode is now turned on. So the next step you need to do is to open your phone dialer and you need to type star hash 4636 hash star. Click on the first option, phone information, and enable this mobile radio power option. Now let's open YouTube and check. As you can see that the internet is now running despite the airplane mode being turned on. In this way you can use mobile data while the airplane mode is turned on. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.